our economy mixer, our mix 05120, and we will start by unpacking. First, you have your metering tips. Next, you will have your discharge hose. Next, you have your coolant suction hose. And next, you have the economy mixer itself. Key operations of the economy mixer: your water inlet side, your venturi side, and your suction. Now we will show a quick installation of the economy mixer. You want to take your coolant suction hose through the bottom. You want to pull it up just enough to put on the coolant port, and you can pull your coolant hose down as needed. Next, you want to take your discharge hose and you want to put that on the venturi port side, like that. Next, I will show installing it in the 55-gallon drum. You want to take your coolant suction hose and you want to stick that down in the actual drum. You want to tighten down the economy mixer, and you can have whatever you're pumping your coolant into on the end of the discharge hose. Now, also depending on the type of coolant you're using, instead of leaving the top of the suction open, you also may need to put a metering tip in, depending on your coolant to water ratio. And we also have a graph in here that explains coolant to water ratio also. That's how you install the economy mixer, mix 05120.